Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you could unhide items or files in Windows computer. If you're Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or 12, then this video is for you. What you want to do to unhide those items, apps or even files, go to this PC shortcut, click on local disk. As you can see, here we have only 6 files. Next step, locate the view option. For Windows 11, 12, you will have it in the middle. For Windows 7, 8, you will have it on the left. So locate view option and click on it to open, select show and go to hidden items. Select hidden items. And as you can see, now it reflects hidden items. So now in total files, we have 10 files. So 4 more files which were hidden. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.